Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. First of all, open the quick settings menu and open Bluetooth devices, go to more settings, and if your device is already paired with your smartphone but you cannot connect to it for some reason, first of all you can toggle the Bluetooth off and then wait for a couple of seconds, toggle it on again, and then try to connect to your device once again. And if you don't succeed another time, then what you can do is forget this device by tapping the info icon next to it, selecting unpair, and then what you're gonna have to do is make sure that your Bluetooth device is currently in the pairing mode. Usually it will be flashing rapidly in the pairing mode, and you're just gonna have to wait until it appears on your Bluetooth devices menu. If it doesn't appear, just refresh the available devices and eventually it will appear right here. Tap on it, tap pair, and everything should be working fine. But in case it's not working, what we can do instead is go to settings, then go to system and update, go to backup and reset, backup and reset, that's right, then reset phone, then reset network and Bluetooth settings, and this will also affect your Wi-Fi network, so be aware of it, as you're gonna have to re-enter the Wi-Fi password after you do this. Confirm with your fingerprint or your password or your facial data, and after that go back to settings and then scroll up to Bluetooth, re-enable Bluetooth on your phone. Once again, make sure that your device is in pairing mode. Select it on the available devices list, tap pair, and after that your device should be paired to your smartphone normally. And so yeah, that's it for this video. Hope it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.